Exness versus IC Markets, which Forex broker is better in 2025. So, both Exness and IC Markets stands out as a top Forex brokers in 2025, but they cater to slightly different trading preferences. Exness is preferred for its high leverage options, fast execution speeds, and a wide range of account types, making it an appealing choice for traders of all levels, especially those seeking flexibility and a robust customer support. IC Markets, on the other hand, is known for its ultra-low spreads, particularly in Forex, and its strong focus on advanced trading tools, making it a go-to for professional traders and scalpers. While Exness offers a more beginner-friendly experience with its a user-centric platform and lower deposit requirements, IC Markets wins with its superior execution, quality, and a more refined trading environment for experienced traders. In terms of pricing, both brokers are competitive, but IC Markets tends to have a slight edge for those who prioritize tight spreads and minimal slippage. Ultimately, the choice depends on your level of experience and what you value the most. Exness for flexibility and customer support, or IC Markets for advanced tools and cost-effective trading. And with tip, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.